Alright, so we have a package here. This Amazon Prime, yeah, it's not always next day delivery, you know. More like 2 days sometimes. It's a case for my tablet. What have we got on there? That is a knife. Look at that. I'll just see it pop up on my Amazon feed. So I thought I'd buy it for my fruits in the morning. Yeah, cut my fruits in the morning. My grapefruit and them things. Yeah, this is not to carry around. Yeah, I'm not that type of guy. Yeah. It's for food only. It's just for food. Yeah. I put that to one side. Comes in the carry case. Yeah, them guys that go around sticking these things in people. This is not what these are made for. They're made for food, for hunters. They're not made for hurting people. Remember that, people. That's how I see it anyway. It's a tool for food or doing some kind of work, not for going and threatening people. It's very sturdy blade in that. It's got no bending at all in it. Yeah, I think it was £6 on Amazon, so I thought it looked interesting. I thought I'd buy it. I like knives. You know, I've got quite a few pen knives and things. They're quite handy for certain things. But let's see how this works on my fruits in the morning. So here we got a case for my Samsung tablet. Stick it. So it comes with some kind of strap on it. So you put your hand there, and that you can rotate. So this case has got the screen protector on it, and this one's without the screen protector. Now what's in there? I'm guessing this is a shoulder strap. I'm guessing this is to get the case off. And I don't really know what that is for. Don't know what that is for. I'll find out. Right, let's get this apart. Yeah, this was like £20, I think. Something like that. I can't really remember. So there's the instructions. A shockproof case. What's that smiley face there? What is that? It's a microfiber cloth. Alright, let's get this thing fitted. So this is the case I got on it at the moment, but I don't really like this case. This flap thing just gets on my nerves. This flap thing here. I know it protects the screen, but it don't. It gets in the way, man. And when I want to take a picture as well, I just don't really like it. Whereas I know this ain't got the same protection because it covers the screen, that one. But because the edges around here are sort of raised, it does offer some protection, innit? And it's got the rubber on the corners as well, so when you drop it, it's going to absorb the impact. Right, I'm going to get it on now. Now I've got an iPad for work, and my iPad, everyone at work, it's got an iPad. And it comes with one of these sort of cases, these tough cases. Not the same make, I can't remember what make it is now. So I'm quite an expert at taking these apart. The easiest way to get these cases on is to get the rubber off first. Take the rubber off, get it all apart. Because all the older guys at work, if they got a problem with the iPad and they got to ring IT always asks them for the code at the back. The company have like a code printed on the iPads, and they always have problems trying to get that part. So they always come to me, asking me to get it off for them, not asking me to pull it on for them. So drop it in like that. Then now, time to start putting the rubber on. Yeah, so I'll start off from one end and just work our way around really. Yeah, it's on now. So this blue, the blue stuff, it's like a protective film. That's what you do, you peel this off. So you pull, alright. Maybe this is what that is for. But yeah, the tape bit broke, but yeah, this blue film does actually come off. There we go. Yeah, remember, do not make that mistake and leave that blue film on, like what I see a few guys at work do. There's one guy at work, and if he was an old man, I can understand. He's a young man just like myself. And for about a year, he was walking around with his iPad at work with that blue film in it. So I said to him, do you realise that blue tint is just a film? He never knew, you know, and he took it off. He took it apart and took the blue film off. All that time he's walking around with blue tint on his iPad. Some people, man, just don't know. He's a young man, he should know that. There it is. So it works. And also my screen, it's got like a screen protector on it as well. It's working alright. No problems there. It's even got the thing for the pen at the back there as well. See that kickstand? I'll stand it up. So So that's the angle for the stand. That's portrait mode. So you turn it. That's landscape mode for the stand. Right, let's put this shoulder strap on now. So we've got the case on the tablet now. We've got the small strap on. Yeah. It's quite handy, the small strap, because look, I can just hang it up in my shed, just like that, and just sit down and watch it like a TV. See, it's quite handy there, isn't it?
The next snow clock, but you know that, you know that.
See, I got my pen in there, the Samsung pen. So, to put the shoulder strap on, all you do is undo that. Undo that. And here's the longer shoulder strap that came in the package as well. And there you go. You got the longer shoulder strap now. You just unclip it. So I'm going to put the shorter one back on. Because I want the shorter one. I want it on so I can just hook it up and things. When I'm in my shed. So I don't really carry this around with me. I mostly use it when I'm in the shed at home. So I'm going to leave that on there like that. So I think that's it, man. Yeah, it's worth the money. Well, yeah. It's a lot better than some of the other cases out there.